Understanding the phrase, relax. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve deep into the phrase, relax. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also how and when to use it appropriately. Let's dive in. Relax is a verb which primarily means to become less tense, anxious, or stressed. It can also refer to making something less strict or severe. In simpler terms, when we say, relax, we're often asking someone to calm down or telling them that there's no need to worry. Examples: after a long day at work, I like to relax by listening to music. Don't be so hard on yourself. Just relax and take things one step at a time. The term, relax, is not just used in isolation. Here are some related phrases. 1. Relax your mind. This means to free your mind from worries or stress. For instance, meditation can help you relax your mind. 2. Relax the rules. This means to make the rules or standards less strict. For instance, due to the special circumstances, the teacher decided to relax the rules a bit. 3. Take a relaxant. This refers to taking a drug or medicine to calm the nerves. However, it's essential to ensure that any medication is taken under the guidance of a professional. 1. Misuse with other words. Avoid confusing relax with rest or sleep. While they are related, they have distinct meanings. Relax often implies a mental state of ease, while rest and sleep focus on physical recovery or inactivity. 2. Overemphasis. Be cautious when using the term. Telling someone to relax in a tense situation might come off as dismissive or insensitive. It's essential to ensure your tone and the context is appropriate. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the term, relax. I hope this video has provided clarity and understanding. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and emotions they carry. So, keep practicing, and don't forget to relax and enjoy the journey of learning. Until next time,